Twitter Traffic Raceway. Generating traffic using Twitter. I could start by telling you about Twitter and its 310 million users, but I'm not going to because I don't need to. On my very first day sitting in a university classroom studying online marketing, I remember my professor saying, "You need to understand, we are not digital marketing. We are marketing in a digital world. Everyone is on social media, and I don't need to tell you this because, well, everyone is on it. It is a self-evident, self-perpetuating truth." Okay, stay with me. I aim to teach you how Twitter can generate traffic for your website. I don't just want to go over how to make your post better and build a following. I want to teach you the underlying theories behind digital marketing in the hope that, once you know them, you will understand not just the what, but the why. In this course, you'll have an in-depth, short, but insanely informative and beneficial lesson in exactly how you want to be using Twitter and how you can generate tons of traffic from the super powerful and gigantic platform.